Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to solve Maths Cambridge June 09 paper 1. Okay, question 1. 60 is a multiple of 5, 7, 9, 10. Circle all correct numbers. So the multiple of is that the number has to multiply by some number to get to 60. Now you need to circle the correct number. So the first is 5, because 5 multiplied by 12, you can get 60. The second number is 10, because 10 multiplied by 6, you can get 60. Question 2. Steven says, no odd numbers end in 8. Is this true or false? B. Explain why you think this statement is true or false. So the first one, the statement is false because for the even number that we end with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the odd number cannot end with 8. Question 3. Complete the calculation below by writing the correct signs in the boxes. So you have plus, minus, equal, 11, 3, 8. So here will be minus and here will be equal. So 11 minus 3 equal 8. Question 4. Gary has 2 fraction cards, 1.5 and 1/3. Gary says 1/2 is bigger than 1/3. Draw diagrams to show that Gary is correct. So 1/2 is here, 1/3 is here, half, and 1/3. So 1/2 is bigger than 1/3. Question 5. Look at the shapes below. Tick any shapes that have right angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. So the right angles is 90-degree angle. So the shape that have 90-degree angle will be this shape. The 90-degree angle is here, 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 and here, and this shape. So the 90-degree angle is here, 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 and here. Question 6. So this is the diagram. A. What shape is west of shape B? B. What shape is northeast of shape D? C. Usma stands at shape D. What direction must she travel to get to shape E? So the shape B is here. What is the west? Now you have to remember the directions. So up is north, down is south, and right is east, left is west. So B to the west, that means to the left. So the answer will be C. B. What shape is northeast of shape D? So shape D is here, north here, east is here. So the shape will be B. C. What direction must you travel from D to get to shape E? So D to get to shape E, so we have to go to south and go to the west. So the answer will be southwest. Question 7. Give the time shown on the clock in words. Now, this is the time. The important thing is that you have to write in words. To read the time, first you have to know shorthand is for hour, longhand is for minute. So the hour point to 10, and the longhand, the hour point to 5. That means 25. because each one of each here is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I can write in word as 25 minutes past 10. Okay. Question 8. Write 10,523 using number B. What is the value of the 1 in 2,612? So here the number I will write like this: 10,523. B, number 1 in here. So the value will be 10. 9. 8. Round 734 to the nearest 10. So to round to the nearest 10, the number here will be 3. So that means it can be round down to 730 or round up to 740. So in this case, you have to round down to 730 because 34 is smaller than the middle point is 35. So you have to round down to 730. B. Round 467 to the nearest 100. Now nearest 100, so you have the number 4 here. You can either round down to 400, you round up to 500. In this case, you will round up to 500 because 467 is bigger than the middle point, which is 450. So the answer is 500. Question 10. A sequence starts 2, 6, 10, 14. Explain the rule for this sequence. So you can see the rule here. We add 4. So from first term to the second term, you add 4. The second term to the third term, you add 4. And the third term to the fourth term, you add 4. Question 11. 9, 10, and 11 are consecutive numbers. Find 3 consecutive numbers which add up to 15. So consecutive numbers here means this number is bigger by 1 than this number, and this number is bigger by 1 than this number. So another 3 consecutive number here will be 4, 5, and 6. Question 12. Megan collects stamps. She keeps a record of where the stamps come from. Here are her results. Reasons, frequency. So frequency is the number of stamps that she collects. Europe, 5 stamps. America, 3 stamps. Asia, 9 stamps. Rest of the world, 6 stamps. A. Megan draws a bar chart to show her result. Which reason we have the smallest bar? B. What is the model reason? C. What is the range of the frequency? So the smallest bar will be American, because if you can see here, you can see that American only collect 3 stamps. So the model reason is the most number of stamps collected. So in this case, you will see that it is Asia, which collect 9 stamps. So the range of the frequency is that you have to take the most collected stamp and minus the least collected stamp. So we take 9 minus 3 equals 6 stamps. D. Megan collects some more stamps. She makes a new table of results. Reason, frequency. Europe, 5. America, 3, Asia 9, Africa 2, rest of the world 11. What is the median number of stems? 2. What is the mean number of stems? So for part 1, the median number, first you have to rearrange the number, then you will choose the number in the middle. So when you rearrange, you will have 2, 3, 5, 9, 11. So the number in the middle will be 5. So it is Europe. What is the mean number of stems? So for the mean number of stems, first you have to find out all the total stem collect, and then you divide by the number of reasons that is being counted. So you have 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 2 plus 11, and the sum divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 equal 6 stems. Question 13. Look at this triangle. So this is the triangle. What type of triangle is it? Tick OK once more. So here you have the choices: equilateral, isosceles, scalene, right angle, none of these. So equilateral, that means the triangle has 3 equal sides. Isosceles means the triangle has only 2 equal sides. Scalene means the triangle doesn't have any equal sides. Right angle means the triangle we have 190 degree in its side itself. So the choice will be isosceles, because this triangle have only 2 equal sides. Okay. Question 14. A. 9,786 multiplied by 100. B. 8,362 divided by 10. So for the A, when you multiply by 100, you just need to add the 2 0 at the back. So the answer will be 978,600. Okay. For the B, when you divide by 10, you will move back the decimal number to one place to the left. So we will have 836.2. Question 15. Calculate the missing numbers. A. 23 plus empty equal 100. B. Empty plus 0.6 equal 1. So for A, you can just take 100 minus 23. So the answer is 77. For the B, you can just take 1 minus 0.6. The answer is 0.4. Question 16. Netherlands describes a triangle. It has 2 equal sides. It has one obtuse angle. Draw Netherlands triangle. So it will look like this. So here you have 2 equal sides, and on top here you have one angle that is weaker than 90 degrees. So this angle, we call it an obtuse angle. B. Weimar describes a rectangle. It has 2 pairs of parallel sides. So 1 pair, 2 pair. It has 4 right angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, one more property of a rectangle. So the third property of the rectangle will be the opposite sides are equal. So these 2 sides will be equal. These 2 sides will be equal. Question 17. Right, 4.25 kilogram in grams. So we know that 1 kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So 4.25 equals 4,250 grams. B, right, 0.75 liters in milliliter. So we know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliter. So 0.75 liter equal to 750 milliliter. Question 18. Use brackets to make these statements correct. So 4 plus 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2 equals 28. So the way to do this is that you have to put the brackets in here. So 4 plus 3 equal to 7. And the bracket in here, 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So 7 multiplied by 4 equals 28. B, 4 plus 3 multiplied by 6 minus 2 equals 20. So you have to put the bracket here. So that 3 multiplied by 6 equals 18. 4 plus 18 equal to 22 minus 2 equals 20. Question 19. Draw an angle of 128 degrees. So to draw this angle, you don't need to have the projector. So first you have to estimate the angle that you need to draw. You will take 128 minus 90 degrees equal to 38 degrees. So then you will draw a 90-degree angle and you will have to add another 38 degrees here. So how can I guess 38 degrees here? So 38 is like bigger than 30 degrees. That means bigger than 1/3 of the 90 degrees. So I will guess roughly 38 degrees will be here. So in the exams, don't worry about the accuracies of the angle because the examiner probably they will just see whether you get a certain shape of the angle and they will give you the mark. They don't actually measure accurately your angle that is 128 degrees. Question 20. Calculate the area of these shapes. So you have this shape. So to find the area of this shape, you can divide this shape into two rectangles. So one has the width is 2 centimeters and the length is 7 centimeters. And another one also have the width of 2 centimeters and the length is 3 centimeters. So the area will be 2 multiplied by 7 plus 3 multiplied by 2 equal 14 plus 6 is equal to 20 centimeters square. Now remember, it is centimeter square because you have centimeter multiplied by centimeter, so you have centimeter square. Question 21. Put these fractions in order. Largest first. 2/5, 7/10, 4/5, 1/2. So to know which one is the largest, first I have to make all the denominators the same and then I can compare the number. So by doing so, I can find that 4/5 is greater than 7/10, is greater than 1/2, and is greater than 2/5. Question 22. How many days are there in 8 weeks? B. Write a formula for the number of days in 8 weeks. So for the A, 1 week I have 7 days. So each week I will take 7 multiplied by 8 equal 56 days. So for the B, I know that 1 week I have 7 days. If I have WX weeks. So I just take 7 multiplied by W equals 7W. So this is the days in WX weeks. Question 23. What is double 3,800? So double of this, that means you take 2 multiplied by 3,800. The answer will be 7,600. Question 24. Look at the drawings of the solid shape. So this is the shape. Which of the nets below would make this shape if it were 4? So you have this kind of net. If you fall along this line, which shapes can you make this shape? So which net can you make this shape? So I will have the net A. So 4 here, 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. I will get this shape. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for listening.